Ready to unlock the power of social commerce and skyrocket your Shopify sales? Let's dive straight into connecting your Shopify store to Facebook. First, log into your Shopify admin panel, which is the control center of your online store. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click on Sales Channels. This is where you manage where your products are sold. On the Sales Channels page, you will want to click on the Add Sales Channel button. A list of all the different sales channels that you can add to Shopify will pop up. Find and click on Facebook. Now, you'll be directed to the Facebook Sales Channel page. Click the Start Setup button. This initiates the connection process. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your Facebook account. Make sure it's the account connected to your business page. Go ahead and put in your account info and log in. Facebook will ask you to grant Shopify certain permissions, such as managing your pages and accessing your business information. Review each request carefully and click Continue to grant access. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Facebook business page you want to connect to your Shopify store. Choose the correct page from the drop-down menu. Time to connect your Facebook pixel or create a new one. If you don't already have one, this pixel tracks website visitor behavior and helps you create targeted that campaign. Select your pixel from the drop-down or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your data sharing preferences. Selecting maximum helps improve ad targeting and personalization. Review the options and select what best suits your needs. You may be prompted to verify your domain with Facebook. This step can help improve ad performance and trust. Follow the instructions provided by Shopify. Finally, select the product catalog you want to sync with Facebook. This allows you to showcase your products directly on your Facebook page. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Facebook. Start exploring the Facebook shop, setting up ads, and engaging with your customers on social media. Now go and make some sales.